10 foods that reduce acidity in the body. In today's fast-paced world, health often takes a backseat as we prioritize convenience. One common but overlooked issue that arises from these lifestyles is high acidity in the body. Acidity can manifest as heartburn, indigestion, fatigue, and even long-term discomfort. But here's the good news. Maintaining balance and reducing acidity can be as simple as choosing the right foods. In this video, we'll introduce you to 10 amazing, natural foods that help reduce acidity and promote better health. Let's dive right in. Your body functions best when its pH is in balance. But what does that really mean? Simply put, pH measures how acidic or alkaline your body is. A pH level of around 7.4 is considered ideal for human blood, slightly leaning towards alkaline. Unfortunately, modern diets loaded with processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food can push our bodies to the acidic side. This shift often leads to issues like acid reflux, poor digestion, and reduced energy. Consuming alkaline foods is an effective way to neutralize this excess acidity and restore balance. These foods don't just help your digestion, they bring a host of other benefits like boosting energy, reducing inflammation, and improving overall well-being. Now that we understand why pH balance is essential, let's explore the top 10 foods that can help reduce acidity in the body. Bananas are a simple, delicious, and highly effective food for fighting acidity. They are naturally low in acid and rich in potassium, making them perfect for neutralizing stomach acid. Bananas also coat the stomach lining, offering relief from discomfort like heartburn or acidic burps. Try adding a banana to your breakfast or as a quick snack during the day. They're portable, easy to eat, and packed with nutrients that aid digestion while balancing your pH levels. Refreshing and hydrating, watermelon is a fantastic option for reducing acidity. Composed of nearly 92% water, this fruit is alkalizing and excellent for soothing acid reflux. Watermelon's high natural water content flushes out toxins and maintains hydration, helping to neutralize acidity in the stomach and intestines. You can enjoy watermelon as a snack on a hot day or blend it into a juice. It's a satisfying way to combat acidity while nourishing your body. Loaded with essential vitamins, iron, and chlorophyll, spinach is a powerhouse when it comes to reducing acidity. This leafy green is highly alkaline and works wonders to detoxify the body while replenishing energy levels. Spinach's nutrient density and versatility make it a must-have in your anti-acidity arsenal. Incorporate spinach into your meals by tossing it into salads, sautéing it with olive oil, or blending it into a smoothie. Its mild flavor ensures it pairs well with countless dishes. Cucumber is incredibly cooling for the body, not just in terms of hydration, but also in helping to soothe an overacidic stomach. Packed with water and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps flush out toxins and balances pH levels. Slice a cucumber into your salads, eat it raw as a snack, or even add it to your water for a refreshing, alkalizing boost throughout the day. Cucumbers are an easy-to-access and versatile choice for anyone trying to reduce acidity. Did you know that almonds are among the healthiest nuts for counteracting acidity? These nutrient-rich snacks are alkaline and full of healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. Besides balancing your pH levels, almonds provide sustained energy, making them an excellent snack option. You can eat a handful of raw almonds daily or incorporate almond butter into your diet, perfect on toast, smoothies, or baked goods. Avoid salted or roasted almonds, as they can sometimes exacerbate acidity due to added ingredients. Ginger has long been celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties, making it a go-to remedy for acidity issues. Its active compounds work to reduce inflammation in the stomach lining and improve overall digestion, providing natural relief from acid reflux and heartburn. You can enjoy ginger in many forms, steeped as a tea, grated fresh into meals, or blended into smoothies. Its zesty flavor also works well in soups and stir-fries, giving you plenty of ways to include it in your diet. Fennel seeds and the vegetable itself are excellent for combating acidity. Known for their ability to soothe the stomach and reduce bloating, fennel also supports pH balance in the digestive system. Its natural compounds actively work to keep acids at bay while improving overall gut health. Chew on fennel seeds after meals or brew them into a mild tea for instant relief. Alternatively, incorporate fresh fennel into salads or side dishes for a crunchy, alkalizing addition to your meals. When it comes to hydration and alkalinity, nothing beats coconut water. This refreshing liquid is rich in electrolytes like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which counteract acidity and replenish hydration levels. Coconut water also flushes out toxins, creating an internal environment more conducive to pH balance. Sip on coconut water throughout the day or mix it into smoothies. Choose natural, unsweetened varieties to maximize its benefits. Not all teas are created equal when reducing acidity, but herbal varieties like chamomile and licorice root tea can significantly soothe an acidic stomach. These teas work gently on the digestive system, reducing acid reflux and promoting relaxation. Plus, they're caffeine-free, making them a perfect choice for unwinding without the risk of triggering more acid production. Drink herbal tea after meals or before bedtime to enjoy its calming, pH balancing effects. Last but not least, let's talk about avocados, a creamy, nutrient-dense superfood. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, and alkaline minerals that help neutralize acidity while promoting gut health. Their smooth texture makes them a versatile and satisfying addition to any meal. Add avocado to salads, sandwiches, or smoothies, or enjoy it on whole grain toast. It's a nutrient-packed treat that brings your pH back into balance. While the 10 foods we've explored are incredibly effective, it's also essential to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day flushes out toxins, maintains optimal digestion, and supports a balanced pH in the body. Foods and beverages high in water content, like cucumbers, watermelon, and coconut water, are particularly effective. By pairing hydration with the right foods, you'll create a routine that keeps acidity in check naturally and sustainably. Changing your diet doesn't need to be complicated or restrictive. Start by gradually incorporating these alkalizing foods into your meals. For example, add spinach, cucumbers, and avocados to your salads. Swap sugary drinks for herbal teas or coconut water. Keep bananas and almonds handy for on-the-go snacks. Experiment with new recipes using these ingredients to keep things exciting and tasty. It's all about creating balance. You don't have to completely eliminate acidic foods. Just focus on building a diet with more alkalizing options. The benefits of a balanced body pH will make these changes worthwhile. Almost immediately, you'll notice reduced bloating, fewer episodes of heartburn or acid reflux, and improved digestion. Over time, you'll feel more energetic, sleep better, and even notice better skin health, all thanks to a well-nourished, balanced body. Let's recap. When it comes to combating body acidity, small shifts can make a big difference. From fruits like bananas and watermelon to vegetables like spinach and cucumbers, and even staples like almonds, ginger, and coconut water, you have a wide array of options to create a delicious, alkaline-rich diet. Remember, acidity doesn't need to control your life. By being intentional about your food choices and maintaining good hydration, you can help your body function better and feel healthier every day. Now that you know the top 10 foods to reduce acidity, it's time to take action. Which of these foods will you add to your diet today? Let us know in the comments below, and feel free to share your favorite tips for maintaining a balanced diet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more practical health and wellness insights. Together, let's take simple yet impactful steps to a healthier you.